Choose a context for your problem. Then click Done to start. Select and drag the numbers and tiles to write an equation that can be used to solve this problem. For a party in Dominic's class, 11 students each brought in 7 bottles of water or soda for the party. How many bottles did the class have for the party? How can you write this expression as an equation? Let me help you get started. Look back at the story problem to help answer these questions. What represents the total number of bottles? How many students bring in bottles of water or soda? How many bottles did each student bring? Now drag in the values and the variable to write your equation. Select Next when you are ready to solve your equation. Use this tool to simplify, decompose a number, or rearrange terms. Click Help for additional information. Use the workspace below to solve your equation. Then enter your final answer. Good job! The students bring in 77 total bottles. Select Next when you are ready to move on. Isabel has a new puppy that loves to chew. The puppy chews through 9 toys each week. How many toys does the puppy chew through after 11 weeks? Let me help you get started. Look back at the story problem to help answer these questions. What represents the total number of toys the puppy chewed? How many toys did the puppy chew each week? How many weeks did the puppy chew toys? Now drag in the values and the variable to write your equation. Good job! The puppy chewed 99 total toys. A giraffe is fed 21 kilograms of hay each day at the zoo. How much hay does it eat in 3 days? Let me help you get started. Look back at the story problem to help answer these questions. What represents the total amount of hay eaten? How much hay does a giraffe eat in a day? How many days did the giraffe eat? Now drag in the values and the variable to write your equation. Good job! A giraffe can eat 63 kilograms in 3 days. Camden's teacher make 85 copies of a math worksheet. If the class used 8 copies, How many copies does Camden's teacher have remaining? Let me help you get started. Look back at the story problem to help answer these questions. What represents the number of copies remaining? How many copies did Camden's teacher make to start? How many copies did the class use? Now drag in the values and the variable to write your equation. Good job! There are 77 copies of the math worksheet remaining. After lunch, the recycling club collected 77 plastic bags and 22 plastic utensils. How many total items did they collect? Look back at the story in the problem. Do you need to combine items? Or do you need to separate or remove items? Let me help you with this. In order to find the total items collected, two groups, plastic bags and plastic utensils, are combined. So addition is needed for this equation. Good job! They collected 99 items in all. Each table in the art room can hold 3 students. If there are 21 tables, how many students can draw at a time? Use the workspace below to solve your equation. Then enter your final answer. Good job! There are 63 students who can draw at a time. Amy took 35 pictures of their new puppy on Thursday and 34 pictures on Friday. How many pictures did they take of their new puppy over those 2 days? Look back at the story in the problem. Are you combining or separating items? Or are you working with groups of items? Good job. Amy took 69 pictures of their new puppy over the 2 days. Evan and Rohan both participated in the school spelling bee. Evan spelled 96 words correctly while Rohan spelled 91 words correctly. How many more words did Evan answer correctly? Look back at the story in the problem. Are you combining or separating items? Or are you working with groups of items? Let me help you with this. As Evan correctly answered more questions, subtraction is needed to find the difference in correct questions. Good job. Evan correctly answered 5 more questions than Rohan did. If a panda can travel 4 miles a day when grazing, how far can it travel in 9 days? Good job. The panda traveled a total of 36 miles in 9 days. Chloe got a new book from the school library. On Thursday, they read 32 pages. On Friday, they read another 33 pages. How much has Chloe read so far? Look back at the story in the problem. Are you combining or separating items? Or are you working with groups of items? Good job. Chloe reads 65 total pages. A raven can eat 11 ounces of meat per day. How many ounces of meat will a raven eat after 9 days? Good job. A raven can eat 99 ounces in 9 days. How many minutes are in 3 hours? Try moving the minute hand all the way around the clock, and consider carefully how it affects the hour hand. Remember that 1 hour contains 60 minutes.